Hey everyone, in this video we are going to turn a simple data into very own AI powered travel agent. So if you are a complete beginner or you have some knowledge, it is a beginner friendly. So basically we'll use MCP Toolbox and Google Cloud tools. Let's dive right in. Yeah, so right now we are going to develop a travel agent using MCP Toolbox, database and ADK, Google ADK. Alright, before we begin, here is what you will need. First of all, you need a browser with your Gmail ID and Google Cloud account. So, and in that Google Cloud account, you have to enable billing. Without that, you cannot proceed this task, this code lab. So, right now, I'm going. Yeah. So, after at the end of this code lab, the chat conversation should look like this. So user will ask the query and the assistant will respond based on the user query. It is only based on the chat. Deploy an agent that will answer user query on the hotel in a location or search for the hotels by the name. In this collab, you can perform many much more things after modifying the code, but right now I'm presenting a basic one. So what you will learn, you will provisioning and populating a cloud SQL for Postgres database with simple data, and set up MCP Toolbox for the database for the cloud SQL for Postgres database, and design and develop an agent using ADK. That is the most important one for this code lab, and test out agent using MCP Toolbox for the database in our local environment. And the third one is optional, but I will deploy this. Okay. So I have signed in already. So you need to sign in using this console.cloud.google.com. After signing in, the interface will look like this. In this interface, you have to go to this section. Here you can find all your project. So if you want to create a new one, or you can click on this project, new project, but I have the existing one. So right now I'm using that one only. So first of all, I need to activate my cloud shell. So here is the right top corner, you can see here. After clicking here, it will open the cloud shell terminal, and right now it is asking for the authorization. I am authorizing it. It will verify, and after the authorization, it will open the cloud shell terminal. So it will take some time. Yeah, the provision is completed. Here is the message showing. You can see here like welcome to the cloud shell. Type help to get started, or type Gemini to try prompting with the Gemini CLI. In this cloud shell, Gemini CLI is inbuilt. You can use it here. So right now I'm not going to use Gemini CLI. Right now I'm typing gcloud. Here it is showing saying Google Cloud account is activated and authorization credential. It is showing my mail ID. Yeah, thanks. So right now I'm going to configure my project. Let's see. it is showing this project showing here. You can see my project ID. Then I need to enable some service for this code lab. I have written earlier. I'm only copy and pasting it. So here is the services networking, Google's API, and run Google's API, and cloud build, Google's API, cloud function, API platform, Google's API, SQL admin for the database, compute googleapis.com. After entering, it will take some time to enable those services for this code lab. Services are enabled. You can get this message finished successfully. So right now I'm going to create the SQL instance. Open a new tab and search here currently it is created, but the status is not active. After completing this, the status will be activated. Right now it is instance is being updated. The status is not active right now. And here you can check the cloud edition is enterprise, the Postgres 15, the instance name, that is our project name, high availability, that is enabled, and we selected the location, that is the US Central one, and the storage is 10 GB. You can also modify this. You can also manually create here by clicking on the create instance, but by giving this command you can simply create from the terminal. It will take some time. Completed. The status is runnable, and this is the primary address. You can check it also here. The instance status is now runnable. Next, I have to create a hotel table. I have already created the table state. Here right now we have to open the terminal. Close SQL Studio and this Postgres. right now and run it here. Now the hotel table is created. You can see the table here. Okay, once again, these are the columns: ID, name, price, chicken chip, so right now I'm going to enter the data in another. Now the data is inserted into this table, so you can search by typing select star from hotels, and if I run this, you can see all of those tables. Okay, there are train record, those are showing here. So this part is completed. Right now we are going back to our console, and here I'll type for the MC. Okay, let me type it. MKDIR MCP Toolbox. It is created. You can see it here. CV MCP Toolbox. Then I have to export install the MCP Toolbox here. That is the external library. I have to export that here using this command. I have already. I'll give in the description. You can try it out using this. Right now it is extracting from the external library of Toolbox UI. That is installed. So we can check by running this command Toolbox -v. You can see the version of Toolbox. Okay, so right now I'm going to create a toolbox inside this MCP Toolbox folder, that is tools.yml for the UI. Here you have to like inside here in this section your project ID, you will enter your project ID here. This one, this is the one. After entering, we'll close this tools.yml. We can simply view by cat tools.yml. You can see it here. This is our project name. So yeah, it is already running, so we can access by running let's do repo tools.yml. Okay, so right now it is running. We can simply change the port to 2000, change and preview. Here this is why hello world, it is successfully connected. So inside this browser UI, so if you type like API tools there, it is showing like this service binary, it's also like this. So right now the UI is not implemented, but the toolbox is, we can able to access the toolbox. So right now we are going to access the UI by running this command UI. So right now we can access using UI. So simply here /UI. Now we can able to access the tools and toolset with a beautiful UI, MCP Toolbox for database. Yeah, right now as far we are created a SQL database and also created a YML file for the MCP Toolbox. Right now we'll move into the agent. We'll open another terminal and we'll create another folder. So that is for an agent. Inside this folder, this agent folder, we have to create a then it will going to create a virtual environment. We can see it here, it is created a one virtual environment. We can access by running this command source bin activate. Using this command we can activate our virtual environment, and right now we are going to install Google Agent Development Kit and Toolbox core. So by using pip, we are going to install this by using pip install Google ADK and space Toolbox core. We are going to install this library from pip command, clearing the terminal and checking the SN development kit is successfully installed or not by writing ADK. So it is successfully installed, that's why it is showing like this SN development. We'll use Vertex instead of Google AI. Simple. We'll Gemini first and we'll choose the second one. And we'll use the default one. Everything is settled. So right now I have to create data.env file, vm.env. Inside this how to build this thing. So yeah, this is the region is US 1. US Central 1. Check. That is correct. And let me check the agent.y. It is also correct. It is using Gemini. It is correct. So right now I'll modify the from. Description and the instruction. It is a simple assistance, so I'm modifying it for this travel. That's why I have to modify the description and instruction. The ADK is referring these two is the main thing for this ADK. So right now I'm modifying this agent. So right now modifying this one. This one and the below one. You can check it here. I have modified a helpful assistant that answer user question about a specific city, or instruction answer user question about a specific city to best of your knowledge. Do not answer question outside this. So this instruction is given by me, so it should not answer beyond this thing. So using this command, if I remove out this hotel as an out, now it is running on the port 8000. So right now it's running the port, change and preview. I can unable to preview this hotel isn't up. Yeah, you can write the message, hi, how can I help you today? Tell me if you had say about Paris. So it is giving me a bunch of list of things of Paris. That is the capital of France. It's a fancy city. Here is a few about Paris. Blah blah blah. It is explaining the all. So right now I'm going to the back to the console. So closing it. Right now I'm running. So this is CLA based thing. So user will ask how can I help you today. This is agent development kit of CLA interface. You can access it from the CLA. Okay. So using Ctrl C you can close this. So right now I am going to connect this agent tool to MCP. So for this thing I have to modify the agent. So I have to go hotel agent tab, then right now I have modified the description. Instruction is same, only I have added the toolbox and the toolbox URL that is running on the 3000. Let me check. What can you do for me? So hotel assistant is saying I can help you find hotels. I can search hotel location and hotels like that. Okay, I have integrated only these two features, that's why it is showing these two. So let's deploy this. So right now I'm going to open another console and clear read and running this one. Here the same instead here I am writing project ID. Here you can see this. Here is my project ID. I have exported the project ID. Then I have to enable all the services for the cloud deployment. The Google Cloud build, everything is finished. And also right now I am adding the IAM policy because I'm going to access the cloud run. That's why I'm adding all the policy for the cloud deployment. Create your account. Everything is created based on my command. Okay. So first of all, right now I'm creating a secret tool. So this is a secret tool I have installed in the Toolbox Cloud. So right now I have created one secret tool. Then by running this we can, yeah, before this we have to export the image. For this Docker container, so after exporting the image file, right now I am deploying it. It will take some time. Setting IAM policy, creating revision. books so right now I update my cloud. Deployed one Docker image, we are able to access to cloud. So right now inside this hotel lab we have to create an experiment.txt file. And export with my project ID. This one is my project ID. I can give it here. Project ID. Everything is exported. Now right now I'm going to deploy. So sorry, that was my mistake. So first I have not activated the virtual environment, that's why it was giving that error. So right now I have activated, and right now it is running, starting, it is copying the file, deploying to cloud run. It is asking me, do you want to continue? Yes. So allow unauthenticated total species. So now it's publicly available, you can view it here using, this is the UI. You can write simple query like which hotels are it also shows let's search by hotel. Hotels in Brazil. Hotel in Brazil. So search hotel by location. It is showing US ID, SN, call, destination, call element, and also the equals. You can collapse it, and so search return for return Brazil. Search hotel in Brazil. Then hotel Brazil, location Brazil, the price, the luxury, and second at this one, third at this one. So like this you can ask, modify and play. So I hope it is helpful for you how to simply build a travel agent using Google Cloud Agent Development Kit and the MCP Toolbox for the databases, the beautiful interactive UI. Thank you. If you found this is helpful for you, please like this video and share with your friends and or colleagues. And also I'm bringing for you this new tech related stuff.